How are you feeling about silver? Silver, I like silver. It is typically for the doomsday preppers. But silver's been acting a little wild lately. SLV is the ticker symbol, SLV. It's been very volatile. And what's happened is that I think because the market is just engaging in strange behavior, that some assets like silver and gold are just doing things that nobody expects,
Oh,
and it's out of control. Like, let me see if I look at SLV silver right now. This which is a silver trust, looks like it's down a little bit this week, but it's up 23% this month, which is insane. It's up 96% in the last 6 months, which is really insane. But year to date, it's down. This is so weird. This is so weird. Yeah, yeah. So silver's just out of control. I can't explain it. I can't explain it. Um,
are you online?
I am. Who do you think I'm talking to?
Well, because the video is not syncing up with what you're saying.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, my wife is looking at me. She said, "Are you online?" Yeah, babe, I'm online. There's a few hundred people watching. So you want to tell them hello?
Hello, everyone. Happy New
Okay.
Year.
All right.
Oh my God.
My wife
Okay.
said Happy New Year. All right. So, how many stocks do you sell options on per week? I don't typically do like just a weekly strategy. I do one based on when I need cash. Remember, some of you have enough assets where you could generate 30,000 a month in cash flow if you wanted to. But if you don't need 30,000 a month to live, why would you do that? Right? So I would take what you need. It's just like food, right? They say you kill what you eat. So I don't go killing just to kill. You kill what you need, and then preserve the rest. So because you don't want to be like those. Remember those white folks went out and hunted the buffalo and they just killed them all just for fun, right? So ultimately, remember when you take in cash flow from a portfolio, you're giving up some growth, and so I would say that it's better to have the growth than to have the cash. I take the cash because I just need some money to buy stuff, or I want to protect myself for what I think is going to be some sort of market downturn. But I don't take max cash out, right? So let's see here. But you need cash for bills. My granddaughter received $50 for Christmas. Where should I invest it? I like SPY, or actually, but that's a kind of a simple investment. Maybe get her something interesting, maybe like Disney or something, and then you can explain to her what it is. And Starbucks, if she likes Starbucks, find something that she likes that's publicly traded, and maybe buy shares in that. And it's really for educational purposes. Remember, one $50 investment is not going to set her up for life. Investing needs to be a habit. Think of it like exercise. If you want to lose weight, you don't go to the gym one time. You don't say, well, I went to the gym one time in 2021. I expected to lose 80 pounds. No, you're not going to lose 80 pounds from going to the gym once. You got to go to the gym every day. It has to be part of your culture, part of your habit, part of your lifestyle. So make it part of your lifestyle. Invest regularly. You pay bills regularly. So if you pay bills regularly, you can invest regularly. The first bill, most important bill, should be the bill to yourself. Does that make sense?